Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video we're going to take a look at Elite Screens, motorized outdoor screen that's going to transform your home, your outdoor home, into a home theater. Let's check it out. Now, Elite Screens has been providing indoor viewing experiences for businesses as well as homes like yours and mine. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at not indoor viewing, but we're going to look at outdoor viewing. We're going to look at how we can transform our backyard into a home theater or even a drive-in. So we're going to take a look at the Yardmaster series. This is an electric outdoor screen that will survive the elements and will give you an experience unlike you've ever seen before. So let's check it out.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now in the box, you do get everything that you need to have this projector mounted in a variety of areas. You'll notice that I have mine connected to my arbor, but you could mount this on a brick wall. You can mount this in a variety of surfaces, and it comes with various attachments that allow you to choose how you want to mount it. So mounting flexibility is definitely there. Now the Yardmaster Electric Screen Series is a great screen to have in the outdoors, regardless of the city that you live in. So the one thing that you'll notice here is that the Yardmaster is IP33 rated, which means that the casing itself, the mechanics, can be kept in the outside. So I have mine mounted on my arbor and it just stays outside. And during the winter, I bring it in because I am in Chicago and we do get snow. But for the most part, for the summer, it's just hanging out there right on my arbor. And I don't have to worry about the rain. I don't have to worry about the elements as long as the screen is retracted. All I have to do is provide an electrical current to it. So it has a standard AC outlet cord. And I just plug it in and I use the included remote that you can see here to raise and lower the screen. And as you can see here, as it goes up and as it goes down, it does it really fast. And it makes the outdoor, for me, a lot more enjoyable. I've had screens that you inflate. I've had screens that you connect with poles. I've had screens where you snap things together. And I'll tell you, while they worked, they end up in my basement because it's a 2 to 3 person job to put it together. What I like about this screen is that I can mount it, even if I want to take it down and up. It takes 2 people to mount just because of the height, and you can see based on my arbor. But once I have it up, there's nothing else I have to do. All I have to do is push the remote and the screen comes down and I'm set to view. The other thing that you can see here by the screen is that it has or supports 2 type of projection modes, either front-facing projection or rear-facing projection. So what you're seeing here is an image with my BenQ, and this is the 800M. This is a 4K projector. It does a fantastic job. It's a short throw projector, not an ultra short throw, but it's a short throw projector, and it gives me this kind of image. And you can see based on the night shots here how well this projector does with this screen. So you get deep blacks, you get popping colors, everything is really rich, and it just creates a different mood and experience in your backyard. Now from a viewing perspective, the other thing that I really like about this screen is that it has 180-degree viewing, which means that you can see this from any angle, either close up or far behind or at the sides. No one ever complains about the viewing experience with the screen. I happen to have a 135-inch one mounted, and this is what you're seeing here. And what I also like about it is even during, I'm not going to say very windy days, but just normal wind, you don't really see the screen moving forward and backward, which could mess with the focus, especially if you have a focused projector that uses a laser to calibrate and to change. So we've been using this without any problems with our projectors. It's great. It doesn't shift back and forth. And what I really like about it is that if I ever get caught in a situation where there's some light drizzle coming or there's rain coming, all I got to do is push a button and this puppy goes up really fast. Now, outdoor viewing experiences are amazing, but if you're interested in learning more about projectors and you're also interested in learning about more screens, either for indoor viewing or for outdoor viewing, make sure you check out these videos that I have here.